Happy birthday, ate! Teo, look at those pig roasts. Wow! Oh, look at the food. That's a lot. It's Daddy Pig. Oh no. Hi, Daddy Pig. Oh no, Bella, Daddy Pig. That's your brother Joel. You want to play? Oh, look at this. Vegetable. Look, ampalaya. And look at this. Eggplant. Oh, you want to play my phone? Okay. Bunny rabbit. Look, Capitio. Oh, wow. This is so cute.
Mami tao. Someone here.
Wow. So, that's your food, Bunny. Anong pangalan niya, kuya? Tyler? Is it a boy? Oh, wow.
Drop it, drop it. Okay.
Drop it, Theo.
There you
There you go.
go. There's another one that's coming to Bunny right here. Wanna go inside the cave? Wanna go inside? They're partnering actually.
It's both in the same kind, right?
The other one's kind of big.
Oh, I like the color of the white one.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
No, I did.
Oh.
Like that?
It's cute, eh?
You probably see them.
You happy?
And then, here, I'm just gonna...
Nandiyan na ba si Ray?
Yeah? Oh. We will help Theo pick Bunny. Are you scared? Good job, Bella. You want to carry, Bella? There you go. You can do it. Lip, lip. Good job. More. Bunny. Bye-bye, Bunny. Theo, say bye-bye. You want the Bunny to take home? Oh. You want Bunny take home? Okay, we'll ask Tita and Tito. So yan guys, dyan na po nagtatapos ang aming get together ng aking mga kaibigan at katrabaho. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang aming video na ito. Please subscribe sa our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!